Welcome back to Daniel Family Garden. So today I did the sweet potatoes and I had those sweet potato seeds. So what I'm doing is I am cutting them in half, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick toothpicks in them. That way they can sit up in the cup, and I'm going to cut a slit in the sides of the cup, because what you need to do is you need to have your potatoes cut in half and have the cut side down, and you want your potatoes to be only submerged in the water halfway. So put those toothpicks in there, and you just want it to sit halfway down in a cup, and you are going to fill it up with water. And it doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to be fancy. It literally took me a few tries with the cups to get it together. So just do what you got to do to get your cups together. So right now I'm just showing how I cut the slits in the side of the cup, and I did 3. I noticed when you just did 2, the potatoes still kind of tilted over even with 2 toothpicks in. So I put a 3rd one in just to make sure it doesn't tilt over and it holds in place. So I'm just going to sit this down in the cup, and I'm going to fill them halfway with water. And what you need to do, they need to be in a warm place, and they need to be able to get lots of sun. So I stuck those in a greenhouse. Our greenhouse is temperature regulated and stays about 90 degrees or so. So in a couple weeks, hopefully sooner, we'll have some sprouts. But y'all stay tuned for more of tips, tricks, and more of the process.